Alright guys, welcome to Dove Saw Shop Chainsaw Collection Showcase Showing Part number 2. This video here is pretty much for all my other saws, my normal work saws, and clone saws. Pretty much this is all my other chainsaws that I own. We got quite a few good ones in here, quite a few not so good ones in here. But let's walk this thing down and show y'all what else we got. I'm gonna do like last time. I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all out of the stand here and just make a little rundown. Alright, we'll start at the front here. Alright, starting at the front, we got the Chainsaw 2500, little 25cc top handle. Pretty much as a Noah clone. The John Cutter 2500 clone. We got a Homelite Super Easy at the top. We got our Neotech 843. We got our 40cc chainsaw. It's a clone of the Echo CS400. Moving back down the line, we got a Craftsman 16-inch 42cc chainsaw. I got this in this row with the John Cutters because the Craftsman is pretty much, I'd say, a upgraded version of the John Cutter. It's built a little bit nicer. The muffler is really restricted and it doesn't have near the power. But the John Cutter 5800 right up above it is 58 cc's, where that one's 42. But the Craftsman, it does not run bad. Pretty much all the parts for the John Cutter or any other chainsaw, the 52, 58 cc chainsaws, fits on that Craftsman. Internal wise, clutch wise, stuff like that. Plastic, recoils, and all that stuff's a little bit different. Next, we got the ported John Cutter 5800. Got the John Cutter G7500. Ported as well. Got a McCulloch 610. Heavy joker, but she's got some lugging power. That one's having carb issues. I'm actually just got the kit in to try to rebuild that. It's a Walbro HDB. We're going to try to rebuild for that one. Stepping back to the last row, we got the Husqvarna 346 XP. Ported by yours truly, Dubs. Next in line, we got the Echo CS 4910. Ported by Charles Briscoe. Next, we have a Husqvarna 141. That one's pretty much built very similar to the Polands. It may need to be in that category, but it is a Husky, so we'll throw it in the other piles. And we have a Stihl MS 290, last but not least. That one, the whole top cover was cracked on it. Busted, so I got on Amazon, just ordered just a cheap set for the handle. I think the handle and the air filter cover was around 20-25 bucks or so. It's a good work saw, runs great. Nothing in the world wrong with it. But out of all the saws, this is probably the pile I pick from most of the time. One of these saws is going to get grabbed. So again, this is all the other saws that we got. Pretty good lineup, I think. You can get a whole bunch of stuff done with these. But, like I said in the last video, part 1 of this little series-ish, if you want to see a video on any one of these saws, or up close look at them, just shoot me a comment, shoot me an email, and we'll get to it, and we'll try to get it done for you. But yeah, hope y'all enjoy looking at this little piece of what we got here. Y'all have a great day. Have a good upcoming week. Dubs, we out.